2026 September 9, International Agriculture Day. In CMRA organizing International Conference, Agricultural Revolutions for New Nepal. Agricultural Revolutions for New Nepal. This is my research plant, all-time mango. See, mango is there, all-time mango. So with grafting technique, everything we will teach. So program, उसके बाद 1 month training in different areas of Nepal. This is one type of all-time mango. There are one more mango that is also all-time mango. All-time mango. That is अगला type. मच्छर कंट्रोलिंग के लिए गप्पी का एक्सपेरिमेंट. नेपाल में मच्छर बड़ा प्रॉब्लम, मॉस्किटो प्रॉब्लम. सो इसके साथ लखनऊ से लाया ब्रह्मी फी डाला. लखनऊ से लाया ओरिजिनल ब्रह्मी बकोपा फी डाला. सो सिमल तरूल टपियोका नारियल लोटोस्कोप इन नेपाल. ये केरला से लाया नेंद्रन वैरायटी ऑफ केला. केरला से लाया नेंद्रन वैरायटी ऑफ केला. सो एक और इधर है, केरला से लाया नेंद्रन वैरायटी ऑफ बनाना. पाइनएप्पल, नेपाल कैन ग्रो पाइनएप्पल. है टपियोका. देन ये नींबू और सिमल तरूल ज़्यादा है. सो इस कटार थोड़ा बड़ा आया. सो इसका ऑल टाइम कटार है. नेपाल में जैक फ्रूट एंड मैंगो only 1 to 3 months. Only 1-2 months. That again only 1 to 3 types. This kataar, this can be used for grafting, budding also. So it's a good variety of jackfruit, all-time jackfruit. So in Kerala, almost all research centers are in Kerala, India government ka. So with the training, jackfruit is so important in many respects today. Cancer के लिए, then fiber containing, then it is बड़ा आया. Similarly उधर भी है, बनाना का प्लांट उधर है. टपियोका का प्लांट बहुत बड़ा है. ऐसा different places in Nepal, different provinces of Nepal. Say rambutan का fruit, rambutan का plant. So lot of plants, naya plants can be introduced. So Nepal is 7 times bigger than Israel and 4 times bigger than Kerala. So lot of scope is there for agricultural revolution. So agricultural revolution, India में M.S. Swaminathan was the reason for starting agricultural production. Surplus was produced by him. This Brahmi, inside this here also Brahmi is put. In Kanti school, so many plants are there. There are medicinal plant garden also making by me. This is Amba, Taiwan Amba. Taiwan Amba. Red Lady Papaya of me, research level, all purpose of research. So research level, papaya, Red Lady variety. Anar, pomegranate, good variety ka, experimental level. This is also a new plant for Nepal. That is chiku, it's flowering, sapota. Now, so many types of tapioca, so many varieties of all-time sapota is available in Coimbatore and so on. This sapota का plant ज़्यादा बड़ा है. So this year fruit मिलेगा. Sapota का sapota. Sapota is highly nutritious. Highly nutritious sapota का plant. This is Tinau Nadi. Tinau Nadi इसके आगे Tinau Nadi. बड़ा river of Nepal. Oh, this is बड़ा आया. कितना बड़ा आया. It's also a grafted mango. Grafted mango with so many बड़ा मिलता है. So this is another variety of mango with a full-time mango type. So agricultural revolution for Nepal, September 9. And the academic program के बाद different parts of Nepal training will be there in grafting, budding and so on. So agriculture is the main scope, land area that provides Nepal ka scope in agriculture. So agricultural revolution for Nepal, September 9, that will be published as special issue of journal also. agricultural revolution for Nepal.